Hello everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to apply a glitch effect with pure CSS, just like what you see here. To start, what I have here is a simple web page content. I added a div container, then inside it is an h1 tag with an error text, and I will be applying the glitch effect to this text. Also, I have already added a simple styling. So what we're gonna do now is add the glitch animation to the h1 text. So for that to be added, we will select the H1 using this one, and then animation. Let's name the animation glitch, and duration will be 1 second, then linear and infinite. Next, let's add action to the glitch animation. So keyframes, glitch, and then at 0% and 65%, we will add we will apply transform translate at 2px and 0, and then skew at 0 degree. Next, we're going to add transform at 5% and then 60%. So this one will be negative 2px and then skew 0 degree still. Next is at 64%. So this one will be 0, 0, and then 5. There. So what it did is it added animation to the text for it to move to the left and right. So as you can see here. For the glitch effect, we need to add a pseudo element before and after to the h1. So container h1 before and also after. Content. The content will be the same as the text, so error. Then position absolute. Let me fix this one. And then z index -1 and left 0, and then color gray. You can use any color for this one. I just decided to use gray. Then for the container before, let me copy this one. We need to add animation. So I will name it glitch stop, which is the same with 1 second, linear, and infinite. Then I need to add clip path, polygon, 0, 0, 100%, 0, 100%, 33%, then 0 and 33%. Next, we also need to add a WebKit for that so it will work on other browsers. There. Next, we're going to add action to the glitch stop animation. So let me just copy this one and then replace glitch with glitch stop. So for the glitch stop, we won't have skew here. And this one will be negative 2px. Let's also remove here the skew and then 2px here. And then at 64%, we'll have 13px and -1. px, then skew negative 13 degree. So there, you can see it at the top. Now we're going to add for the after. So let me just copy this one and then change this one to after and bottom here. Then let me change the values. So 67% here, 67%, 100 and 100. Let me change this one and 0 and 100% here. So just copy this and paste it for the whip kit. There. Next, we're going to add animation to the glitch bottom. So glitch bottom here. Then change this to negative and 0 for this. And then negative and 0 for this one too. And next, negative here, negative 22 px, and then 5 px here, and then 21 degrees here. There. So we have now a glitch effect.